Nathan Reardon, outage manager at Bayswater Power Station. Yes, I've been down it for 7 years now, and as an outage manager, I have a team of 40 to 50 supervision, and then it goes into about 400 to 500 blue collar workers, which we turn the unit offline and maintain it for a period of about 12 weeks. Yeah, so when I have anyone new to the team, I take the time, come and introduce them to the existing team to make sure they feel welcome. I just take the time to get to know the people, introduce them to the existing team, just show them the systems, not dump everything on them at once. Really take the time to get to know the person one-on-one as well and make them feel part of the team. Yeah, so in the outages it's a fast pace. We have up to 500 people over 12 weeks, and if we see someone struggling, it's not just myself, the team will notice. We'll go in and relieve some of that pressure and all help as a team to get the job done. So we build a culture that we encourage people to speak up. If they're unsure of anything, stop. Whether you've got 20 experience in the game or starting today, we value everyone's opinion. So everyone has the right to stop and ask a question. Yeah, there's been times where I've seen something or stopped the job. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It might be that, we need better scaffolding access, or we can actually remove that part and take it down to the workshop to do the job down there. It's not just accepting the way that it's always been done.